I first started selling real estate in 2001. The upgrades someone put into a home didn't do much to affect its value. It was kind of crazy. Like you'd show 1,500 square feet, you had really nice wood floors, and at the time granite countertops were everything, you know. And then you'd show another home and they had laminate floor and Corian countertops. Well, what people really relied on was $100 a square foot was the number. Back in 2001 when I started, it was about $100 a square foot. So 150,000, 150,000. Now this one may sell for 150 because it's upgraded, and this one may sell for 145 because it's not, but people were not willing to pay for upgrades back then. Now, if you look, so the average is $213 a square foot. Now that means the unupgraded homes are probably selling for $150 to $175, and the remodeled homes are selling for $225 to $250. So then the average comes in right around $213. But the cool thing is if you're thinking about making upgrades to your home, people will pay.
Yeah.
And that's something that when I started selling real estate 20 years ago, people would not pay for somebody else's upgrades.